Hi, are you struggling with razor bumps? If so, check out Bump Patrol. What's up, guys? Welcome to BTFL. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, we got another review. Guys, we checking out Bump Patrol. Now you might be watching this like, why you doing a review on Bump Patrol? Because I get razor bumps damn near every time I get my hair cut. Right? Now I don't know if it's my barber clippers. I said clips, ain't this a bitch? I don't know if it's my barber clippers. I don't know if it's just I got super sensitive skin. I don't know. But when I get my hair cut, I usually get a bald fade. I need a haircut now, but when I do get it cut, I usually get like a bald fade, so I feel real smooth, real nice, right? My wife like to rub right here and say, "Baby, I like the way that feel," right? I like the way it feels. Anyway. So after I get a fresh cut, I'm good for about 3-4 days. 3-4 days, I'm good. Then like around that 4th-5th day, all hell break loose, right? Right in the back, boom, it just starts. You know what I'm saying? Them little bumps, just get on my damn nerves, right? So normally I like put some alcohol on it, some witch hazel, and it usually helps, right? But a couple months ago, actually longer than that, like 4 or 5 months ago, I got my haircut and it was just like bad. Like I'm like, what in the hell? Fuck. It was just bad. Like I'm like, oh man, like it was just annoying. So I'm like, I get online, look on Amazon, of course, like everybody do. Went on YouTube, like everybody do, and this product came up, right? And of course, first I seen it on YouTube, then you go from YouTube, and then you go to Amazon, then you read reviews and so on and so on. So this bottle didn't cost too much, maybe $7-8, I think, can't remember. Obviously, I'll put it in the link. I'll put it in the video. What the hell am I saying? I'm going to put a link to this in the description of the video, all right? So I seen it, you can tell I've been using it. I got stuff all leaking on it. Jeez Louise. But anyway, so looked on Amazon, the reviews weren't too bad, right? So I'm like, okay, let me give this a shot. I need to try something because this is just ridiculous. So anyway, I got it, and I've been using this for several months now. So whenever I get my hair cut, the night that I get my hair cut, fresh cut, I always, I start using this stuff, right? Now the first couple haircuts, I noticed like it helped a little bit with prevention. I still got the razor bumps. I did. But I did notice it wasn't as many, right? That makes sense. It wasn't as many once I started using it. Now what I did was when I get a haircut, like the first like 3-4 nights, I would rub this on, areas where I know the razor bumps are gonna pop up, right? And I noticed the first few haircuts, aka first couple months, I noticed like, okay, I'm still getting a lot, but not as many as I was before using this, right? And it's got a whole bunch of ingredients. You can look at it, on Amazon. But it got a whole bunch of stuff in it, all kinds of stuff. But I'm like, okay. Then I felt like I got my haircut, maybe like say the 4th or 5th haircut. I felt like this wasn't really doing nothing, like nothing major. Right, and I felt like I had a couple bad razor bump episodes, right? So I'm like, man, what is this? So then, instead of me just using it, all right, like the first 3 days after getting my hair cut, I start using it like the first week to like 10 days. I would just all you gotta do is put a little bit, right? And I would put it on, once a day, sometimes even twice a day. Like the first 7 to 10 days after getting a haircut. And I do notice it helps a lot when you increase the use. Now this is just my experience. Now you do whatever the hell you want to do. But I'm just telling you my experience. I feel like it helps a lot more when you kind of use more. Now I'm not using it like, day 14, 15. I feel like it's all good because at that point the razor bumps go away anyway. But I noticed using it like the first 7-10 days, sometimes even twice a day, mainly like once a day. I feel like you get the best results with this. Now, did it completely get rid of the razor bumps? I wish it did. I wish it did, all right? But I feel like it does drastically decrease them when you use it on a more consistent basis. Like I said, I noticed like first 7-10 days after getting your hair cut, put this on the areas. And like I said, this will last you a while. I still got like this much left in the bottle, right? Like this much left. And I've had it several months. So that's my take on it. All right, that's my take on it. So is it worth giving it a shot? I will say yes, it is worth giving it a shot. If you do try this, or you got another product or something you like, comment below. Let me know that product, and or let me know what you think about this. Once again, link in the description. Take you over to Amazon. You can read reviews all about it. And that's my take on it. All right. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.